Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to save your Canva design as a PDF file. Whether you're creating a resume, presentation, or any other document, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. To start, open the design you want to save as a PDF. For example, let's say you're working on a resume. Go to the top right corner of the Canva interface and click on the Share. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, click on Download. This will open a new window where you can choose your file type and settings. In the File Type section, click on the drop-down menu and select PDF. You'll see two options, PDF Standard and PDF Print. PDF Standard is best for emailing and digital use, while PDF Print is optimized for printing. For this example, I'll choose PDF Standard since I want to email my resume. Once you've selected your preferred PDF option, click the Download button. Canva will process your design and start the download. This might take a few seconds depending on the size of your file, and that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.